Protein is the secret engine that keeps our muscles strong, our minds sharp, and our energy alive. But here's the problem. After age 60, many seniors simply don't get enough protein. The result? Weakness, slow recovery, even memory decline. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or fancy powders. Today, I'll reveal affordable protein-packed foods, many already in your kitchen, that can keep your body strong without breaking the bank. Let's start by understanding why protein becomes even more important as we age. When we're younger, our bodies use protein efficiently to build and repair muscle, support organ function, and fuel our daily activities. But as we get older, something changes. Our bodies become less effective at processing protein, meaning the same meal that worked fine at 30 just isn't enough at 70. This is called anabolic resistance, a fancy way of saying that we need more protein just to maintain what we already have. Without enough protein, muscle loss speeds up. This isn't just about looking fit. Muscle is vital for balance, mobility, and preventing falls. Poor muscle mass makes it harder to get out of a chair, climb stairs, or even carry groceries. But the benefits go beyond strength. Studies show that adequate protein intake helps protect brain function, slows memory decline, and supports immunity. Getting enough protein isn't just about muscles. It's about maintaining independence, staying active, and enjoying life. Here's the best part. You don't need to spend a fortune or buy specialty products to reach your protein goals. Let's dive into the affordable foods that give you the most value for your money. First up, eggs, the perfect protein package. For just a few cents, one egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein, plus vitamin B12, which is essential for brain and nerve health. Eggs are easy to prepare and versatile. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet. They're also soft and easy to chew, which is ideal for seniors who may have difficulty with tougher meats. Seniors who include eggs in their daily routine often report better energy, improved memory, and greater satisfaction at mealtime. Next, beans and lentils, the fiber and protein combo that's hard to beat. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein and costs less than a cup of coffee. Beans, whether black, kidney, or chickpeas, also offer impressive amounts of protein, along with fiber that helps lower cholesterol and keeps digestion smooth. The best part? You can buy them dry or canned, and they last for months. Mix them into soups, salads, chilies, or stews for a filling, budget-friendly meal that supports muscle health and keeps you full longer. Don't forget Greek yogurt, your muscle and gut health ally. Greek yogurt is thicker and higher in protein than regular yogurt, with one serving providing around 10 grams. Look for plain, unsweetened versions to save money and avoid unnecessary sugars. Greek yogurt is gentle on the stomach and can be enjoyed at breakfast with fruit, blended into smoothies, or used as a creamy dip instead of mayonnaise. It's also rich in calcium, supporting bone health as well as muscles. For shelf-stable protein power, canned tuna or sardines are hard to beat. These affordable staples pack over 20 grams of protein per can and last for months in your pantry. They're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. To reduce sodium, give your fish a quick rinse and then mix with veggies, stuff into whole grain pita, or serve on crackers. Sardines, in particular, are a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin D and calcium. And let's not overlook peanut butter, spreadable strength in a jar. Just 2 tablespoons provide about 8 grams of protein, plus healthy fats that help you feel full and satisfied. Peanut butter is easy to store, affordable, and delicious on whole grain bread, rice cakes, or apple slices. It's a simple way to add protein to snacks and meals, and its creamy texture makes it easy to enjoy for those with dental concerns. Now, how do you put all these foods together in a way that fits your routine and your budget? Here's the trick. Don't wait until dinner to get your protein. Spread it throughout the day. Start your morning with a boiled egg or a scoop of Greek yogurt. Add beans or lentils to your soup or salad at lunch. Enjoy peanut butter on whole grain toast or with apple slices as a snack. Finish the day with a tuna salad or a simple bean stew. Small changes add up, and by spreading your protein intake, you give your body the steady supply it needs to build and repair muscle. For those worried about chewing or digestion, softer options like scrambled eggs, lentils, or yogurt are perfect. If you find canned fish too salty, just rinse it under cold water. And remember, you don't need fancy protein shakes. The foods you already know and love are enough. So, the next time someone tells you that healthy eating is expensive, remember this: strength doesn't come from pricey powders or exotic ingredients. It comes from smart, affordable choices made every day. Eggs, beans, yogurt, tuna, and peanut butter. These simple foods can protect your independence, your memory, and your vitality well into your golden years. The path to better health is built on small, consistent steps. Start with one food at a time. Add an egg to your breakfast, a spoonful of beans to your soup, a dollop of yogurt to your snack. Over time, you'll notice more energy, greater strength, and sharper thinking. These are the gifts of protein, a nutrient that truly powers life. If you found these tips helpful, share them with a friend or loved one. Everyone deserves to feel strong, energized, and confident, no matter their age. And if you want more life-changing health tips, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to vitality is just beginning, and it starts with the foods already in your kitchen.